Welcome to Yogi Cycle Service.
Welcome to Yogi Cycle Service.
What are we doing today?
We are doing parking lot slow speed drills.
So we're going to see a lot of people having a lot of fun today.
Amen to that.
All right, let's go do it. Dang, what is going on here?
Cones on the outside of the line. So there's a mark every 15 feet. The first two cones has the gate. When we hit the first 15, I have a measuring mark of 5 feet that goes this way. Because it's got to be 15.5, 15.5, 15.5.
Let's meet the competitors. In gate number 1, we have a Springer. Gate number 2, we got a Road King. A Fat Boy Bagger in gate number 3. Ultra in gate 4. Ultra in gate 5. Road King in gate 6. And a Boulevard in gate 7. And a V-Ride in gate number 8. Let's explain everything first.
Okay.
Figure it out your own.
Just go do it.
Don't hit the cones.
Don't hit the code.
The object is not to hit the cones.
We hit the code, we all get the flog you want.
You fail.
So we'll start off with the 2 cones you see over here. I'm guessing we're probably going to have to come this direction to get enough speed to get 20 miles an hour. Once you hit 20 miles an hour and your tire hits that first cone, you're going to want to stop and not exceed past the second cone. So that's 18 feet of distance between the 2 cones. So at 20 miles an hour, full stop in between cones in order to pass that skill.
And this is the Moto Jiu-Jitsu Blue Belt.
This is the Moto Jiu-Jitsu Blue Belt.
Which is like an average middle of the road, supposed to be middle of the road rider.
I don't know. I know the white belt seemed a little easier. This one kind of knocked it up a notch.
Yeah, we did this on MSF on the basic riding course.
Right here you see the 4 cones and the parking spaces. Yeah. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go through both lanes, switch back into the next lane, come through. And,
so it's a U-turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a U-turn. So we're going to have to kind of daisy chain it and go back and forth 3 times.
The idea is to
Hug this side.
hug this side and do your U-turn without going over the other lane. So you want to do your U-turn in the 16 feet. So you're going to come up this way, and as you get to the end and you go to cross over, you'll cross over like this. The idea is to have your bike within that second line. So you want to be able to do your turnaround here.
The circle.
All right. So
Inside or outside?
3 rotations on the inside. That's a 30-foot diameter circle. 3 rotations in the circle in one direction. Leave the circle, come back, and do 3 rotations the other direction. So this is all about preloading. All about preloading and balance. Now over here, we got the 15.5 wave.
The question is, do we need to pray before we do this?
With our hats on or off.
That's a good question too.
This course here, we got a cone set up every 15 feet. Every other cone is set inwards 5 feet. So, assuming this is our starting point going this direction, we're going to go on the outside of the cone. We got to go through.
It's easy, just go right down the middle.
On the outside. Exactly. Just keep that coming all the way through, and your last cone is your last cone out.
Is there any speed minimum?
Whatever you can, whatever it takes.
What about again, I don't know what it's called. Basically you come at me, make sure you get, I think it was I had to ride to you and I had to be in second gear.
Yep.
And there was a certain point where you were like, you waited, and I had to quick respond.
Yeah.
Either
Playing chicken? Is that what you're talking about? Chicken?
kind of.
That's not on here, but if you want to throw something in,
No,
we can
I
do
mean
it.
that's
Yeah,
it.
it's MSF.
Yeah, it helps with quick response.
So everything that this is all about is for slow speed maneuverability. Yeah. So I mean, a lot of people do the 3-point, 62-point turns to get out of a spot. This is going to get our skills to a point to where we can keep that preload going and whip around real quick and just get going.
Yep.
All right, we ready to go?
Ready to go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
For Paul, for you need to be doing a burnout as you're going around. You need to drift this circle.
Truck could do that.
Drift the circle.
Drift the circle.
Until the unicorn shows up.
Until the unicorn. No, that unicorn planet's not here today because that sucker's big.
Monstrous. So y'all done now?
Huh?
Y'all done now or just taking a break?
Let's take a break.
All right, well, I'm gonna go play. That's tiring, man. Oh.